Hi everyone, welcome back Unity Car ladies and gentlemen, lovers of powerful wheels and campers that break boundaries. Get ready to witness something so breathtaking, you won't even think of switching this video. Today on Unity Car, we're diving into a beast that doesn't just ride, it rules. Introducing the 2025 AutoGlide Camper, the kind of vehicle that turns roads into red carpets, and heads wherever it rolls. So buckle up, my friends, because this camper's exterior is so bold, so revolutionary, you'll feel like you're watching a spaceship gliding on Earth. And stay connected with Unity Car till the very end, because this isn't just a review, this is an experience you must live. Let's get straight into that head-turning exterior. The front fascia of the 2025 AutoGlide Camper looks like it belongs in a futuristic movie scene. Sharp LED headlamps, a stunning light bar across the width, and that iconic AutoGlide logo glowing like a badge of dominance. Its hood isn't just metal, it's aerodynamically sculpted to slice through the wind while looking sharp enough to impress from blocks away. Now take a look at the side profile. Oh yes, this is where the AutoGlide truly shines. Long, powerful, and elevated, its presence screams strength and elegance together. The glossy 22-inch alloy wheels feel like thunder on rubber, pitch black, diamond cut, and built to perform. The side panels aren't just for show, they're engineered with wind tunnel precision, minimizing resistance while maximizing looks. And with the retractable awning popping out, the entire camper transforms into a luxurious outdoor lounge. Now here's a question just for you, and I dare you not to answer this. Have you ever seen a camper so futuristic, so royal in its exterior design that it looks more like a spaceship than a road vehicle? If yes, let me know in the comments, but if no, then join the club, because the 2025 AutoGlide Camper might just be the most beautiful one on the planet. A bit of history for the true fans. AutoGlide was founded back in 1980. For decades it ruled the truck and SUV market, but it wasn't until 2010 that they entered the camper world, and let me tell you, it was a storm. Every year since then, they've pushed boundaries with cutting-edge design and tech, and the 2025 model is their crown jewel. Now let's explore some mind-blowing exterior features. Automatic climbing steps that drop down the moment the door opens, clean, smooth, and strong. A full 360-degree 4K drone view camera system that gives you complete visual control of the camper. At the rear, a stunning taillight bar carved like a blade, glowing with sharp symmetry at night. And yes, the roof, covered in sleek solar panels, powering your journey without hurting the planet. Now, my dear friends, here's a humble request. If the bold, sharp, and luxurious exterior of this AutoGlide camper excited you, even a little, then please like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Unity Car. Because these legendary machines don't come around every day, and Unity Car brings them straight to you. Stay tuned, stay connected, and as always, where cars speak, you listen, only on Unity Car.